We're going to make some frozen chicken and just add some spices to it and hope for the best. So we're just using some ingredients that we have lying around. We have some frozen Thai pieces, and then had some remaining pasta sauce, which is spinach and cheese. The rest are all condiments, salt, cayenne pepper, seasonings, and a couple of things I don't even know the name of. We're going to put them all in and see how it comes out.
Plug it in. Shows off, and then so it's off right now. We want to do a pressure cook. So we click on that. It shows high. You can always increase or decrease it. And we want to do, because it's frozen chicken, we'll do it for 10 minutes. That's it, and nothing else to do. You just leave it. It'll automatically switch on. There it goes. And then we just leave it for 10 minutes, and we'll come back and see how it is. Okay, so it's already done. It was on 0. And now it's just, as you can see, just keeping warm. So we're just gonna hit cancel. And so the pressure is still there. As you can see, the silver thing, it's up. So there's a lot of pressure in. I'm just gonna leave it on, and I'll probably open it maybe within a few minutes. Just let it all sit in there. So this was off, and I didn't really release the pressure or anything. The silver thing automatically went down. So yep, doing those mittened hands. Well, nothing will come out because the pressure is already released, but still, just to be sure. There's no pressure, so we can open sesame. That's our pile of chicken sitting exactly as how I left it. Alright, now bring the spoons. We are the worst cooks ever because we put all that. None of it actually went inside the chicken.
The chicken's just
It's just sitting there. Oh, it was frozen in a pile.
just uncooked.
In the center.
Stop it. Get some help.
Uh-oh.
SpaghettiOs.
SpaghettiOs. Alright. What we're gonna do is the next thing that the world's worst cooks ever will do is to mix it up.
Yep.
Well, of course, I knew it wasn't gonna cook, but I was too lazy to thaw, like leave the chicken out.
Should have been flat at least.
There's too much effort to fill my stomach. You know? Alright, what we'll do is just the outside is cooked. So I'm gonna have to put it for another like 10 minutes. So I'll just mix it up and then put it for another 10 minutes.
2,000 years later.
Just splatter a little bit. Also, it's safe to where I'm looking at your hand.
Let's see how it's turned out.
The second time we're cooking. Alright. Looks like this time it's cooked.
Let's try.
Oh my god! Wow! So this is like water because I put a lot of water in it. So what I'm gonna do is just pick the chicken out. Then I'm not gonna waste this water because it has like all the things I put in it, plus the broth, the chicken juices. So I'll just be cooking some rice in this broth. That way you get to use it up.
Yep.
Wait. So I took the chicken out and I put it separately. Now, not gonna waste this whole broth because we put too much water. So we're just gonna add some rice to it and cook some rice in it. So no wastage. Add some rice. So we put rice in, and then I'm gonna put a little bit of frozen vegetables in it.
Why?
Alright, so just mix the frozen veggies and the rice in that broth.
Yummy.
Well, we'll find out if it's yummy or not. Okay, so as per this chart, where's the rice? Rice, here. Ours is kind of like a basmati. It says 4 minutes, but it also has a lot of vegetables and stuff in it.
So 6 minutes.
So yeah, so I would do about 6 to 8 minutes.
It's good music there.
Pressure cook 8 and leave it.
Wow.
So that's what it looks like after cook.
Yeah. So as you can see, there's no water left on the bottom, which I would say that we were lucky that it didn't burn. The little paper that they give with the description of how many minutes to put water ratio, it's like 1:1 for rice. But since I don't really cook like that, I just put whatever with the rice. I kind of like, winged it. But you do have to be careful whenever cooking rice. One time I think I remember I put rice but there wasn't enough water in it, and it did show like here like burning or something, and then I quickly switched it off and let the steam out, and I checked. It didn't burn exactly, but it was
About to.
About to.
Darkening.
So here we didn't waste the chicken juices. We just made rice with it with some vegetable in it. So now we have some rice and some cooked chicken, both of them together.
Bon appetit.
Hungry?
Yeah, I'm salivating.